Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very popular lamb tikka masala. It's been quite highly requested. Guys, don't forget to drop me a comment, ask me what you want me to cook, or if you have any questions. I've been helping a lot of people on YouTube who are asking me, how do I do this, how do you do that, and I'll try and reply back to everybody. I've replied back to everybody so far. So yeah, we're going to make a lamb tikka masala. It's quite easy now. We're getting on to now, a lot of the prep has been done. So it's just a case of kind of putting the prep stuff in together. So 5 pieces of lamb tikka, which I've shown you how to do. This is on my YouTube channel. So if you don't know how to do it, after this video there'll be a link below my description telling you how to cook lamb tikka. A quarter pint of base gravy. Again, there'll be a link on the description. 4 tablespoons of masala paste. 2 tablespoons of just cream. Single cream is better. So the first 3 items down in my descriptions. If you don't know how to cook them, get them after this video. Watch it, get them cooked, and then you're ready. So it's quite simple. Once everything's been prepped up, you know, we're on service now, so orders are coming through, everything's prepped up. It's very quick and easy to do now. So we have our lamb tikka. Remember I showed you on the lamb tikka, and I've kept it in the sauce that I've cooked it. It's a very thin, watery sauce, but you don't want any of that sauce in there, so you want to drain the sauce out. Normally I have a spoon with holes in when I'm serving, a big spoon. You've got one. Because it's a demo, I'm only going to put 4 pieces, but it's entirely up to you. Put 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever you want, really. So yeah, I've got 4 pieces here. And then this is your masala paste, which I've shown you how to do. So you can do every masala kind of with that. I'll put about 4 tablespoons. Should be about right. 3, yeah, there's about 4 in here. The other thing I didn't put is we normally don't put any added sugar, but if you feel like, you know, your masala paste isn't sweet enough, you know, taste it and add a bit of sugar if needs be. So it's just a simple case now, and then just add some cream on it. Mix it a little bit together. You see, we're already starting to form that masala colour dish. And then we have our base gravy. Because cream has gone in it, you don't need as much as you would normally need. Normally you would say 1 ladle, which is about half, just under half a pint. So we're going to need probably about half that, which is about a quarter of a pint roughly. And then yeah, you're ready to go. Put your gas up, keep mixing it, and then you'll see this beautiful colour starting to form. Now there's 2 things you want to be wary of. The sauce isn't getting too thick. If it is, it's no problem. You then just add a little bit more base gravy or add a little bit of cream. If you think it's too dark, the masala, add a little bit more cream. That will lighten it up. Also, if you find that the lamb hasn't been cooked, it's too tough like that. It's very tough at the start now. It will start to soften up, but the more it cooks, the more thicker the sauce is going to get. Or if your lamb's cooked too quick, but your sauce is very runny, very thin, it's not like a masala, it's you know, very watery, add some more masala paste. That will thicken it up. So that's kind of, you know, as a good chef, I would kind of think, you know, that thing's done, but that isn't right, or the sauce is right, but the lamb's not cooked. So I just got to think on my feet how to rectify it so it's all correct. The sauce is thick, the lamb is cooked, and everything's good. So yeah, it's just starting to bubble up now a little bit, but it's starting to form that colour now. So the sauce is very thin at the moment. That will thicken up in time. Normally in the kitchen I have very powerful cookers. That will be done in a couple of minutes, you know, but it looks like it's going to take a bit longer. But you know, I needed to be quick to serve it out. For you guys at home, you've got time, so make it good, you know, take your time, slow cook it. Me in the kitchen, I've got to put it on full blast and boom, 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 because I've got about 40, 50 orders behind me. So yeah, as you can see, look, the cream is melting and that's a nice orangey colour now. Okay guys, so it's been a few minutes and it looks pretty much done. Can you see the colour's gone darker a little bit? The lamb, I'm stabbing the lamb and it's soft, you know, it's breaking off very quick. If you need it to, I didn't say, but in the middle, if you do need it to cook quicker, just stab the lamb in and it will cook a little bit quicker. The sauce will get in to the lamb and it will cook a little bit faster. So mine, I think everything's perfect here. You know, it's a nice thick sauce. It's a nice colour. I don't need to put any more cream. I don't think I want that any lighter. The lamb is soft. And like I said before, if anything's inconsistent, if it's too thick, put a little bit more cream or put a little bit more base gravy. If the lamb isn't cooked yet, but the sauce is thick, do that. If the lamb is cooked, but the sauce is very thin, so the lamb's cooked very thin, maybe you put too much cream or too much base gravy, just get some more masala paste, put it in there, that will thicken it up. So, you know, some people like a little bit thicker, some people like a little bit more runnier, each is different. But for me, that's perfect, that's done now. Right, so yeah, I got the lamb here now, just putting it in. So I'm probably a little bit short on the sauce, but it's a demo, so, you know, I don't want to put too much sauce in there. If you are short of sauce, just put just a bit more base gravy in there. You can even put that back in, put a little bit more base gravy, mix it around. Again, that's going to be no problem at all. So guys, there we have it, lamb tikka masala. It's pretty much done. For eating in, we decorate it slightly with a little bit of cream on top. Takeaways, we don't do it because the cream kind of goes a little bit funny when it's getting to you. So yeah, it's just sliced a bit off. I like to just hold it like that and then just, you know, little design squiggle there, and it just looks a little bit more attractive there. Some people put nuts, almonds on top. We used to. We stopped that quite a few years ago because of the nut allergy. But by all means, put some nuts on top. But we found, like, with nut allergy and that, we've cut our nuts a lot more. But there you have it, a lamb tikka masala.